The purpose of this presentation is to go over the instructions that go with the Rename It handout. The purpose of the Rename It assignment is to give you practice mentally doing what we call chunking an area into different sized pieces, and then considering part-to-whole relationships when you use non-traditional units. The rules are that you're not allowed to cut out the pieces. Instead, your goal is to only visualize them. We'll start first with a familiar context, soda. Here you can see that 1 6-pack is the same as half of a 12-pack, is the same as 1/4 of a 24-pack. Taking it further, if you consider part-to-whole relationships and think about 2 6-packs relative to 3 6-packs, you can see that the relationship is 2/3. In the same way, if you consider 1 12-pack relative to 1 1/2 12-packs, then you have 2/3 again. And then finally, let me move this over. If you consider half of a 24-pack relative to 3/4 of a 24-pack, and I've modeled that here. Here's half of a 24-pack, and then here's 3/4 of a 24-pack. But the relative size here is again 2/3, where there's 1/3 and 2/3. The Rename It handout is purposeful in putting you in an unfamiliar context with unfamiliar units. You can see here that 1 rec is the same as 12 sticks, because you can fit 12 sticks on 1 rec, which is the same as 6 longs. Moving back to part-to-whole relationships, if you consider 2 sticks relative to, so here's 2 sticks, relative to 6 more sticks, the relationship between those two quantities is 1/3. And then if you think about 1/6 of a rec, which is right here, relative to half of a rec, again the relationship is 1/3. And then I apologize for my typo, but I kept changing my numbers around. Kind of the obvious relationship would be that 1 long relative to 3 longs, of course, is still 1/3. So good luck and have fun.